Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I hope you always fine and still healthy. Today, we will learn about self-introduction. Before we start this learning, I want to ask to you, do you know me? I think no. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Farhan Hidayat and I'm your English teacher. And today we will learn about self-introduction. Okay, let's play or let's start. This information about my study. Sekilas tentang mata pelajaran yang saya ampu. Saya mengajar bahasa Inggris kelas or grade for 7 and Gasal. For aspect and skill is self-introduction or perkenalan diri. And alokasi waktu is 2 times 40 minutes. Once meeting, satu pertemuan. Oke. Kompetensi dasar memahami fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan pada ungkapan perkenalan diri, serta responnya sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Yang kedua, menyusun teks lisan dan tulis sederhana untuk menyatakan, menanyakan, dan merespon perkenalan diri dengan sangat pendek dan sederhana. Dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan yang benar dan sesuai konteks. Tujuan pembelajaran, siswa dapat menyusun teks perkenalan diri secara lisan. Yang kedua, siswa dapat menggunakan kosakata yang tepat dan berkaitan dalam menyusun teks tulisan perkenalan diri. Yang terakhir adalah siswa dapat menggunakan pengucapan yang benar dan tepat dalam menyusun teks tulisan perkenalan diri. Okay, I will give you a short definition about self-introduction. You can see this is a short definition. Self-introduction is a situation where a person introduces him or herself to another person or some people to make other people know him or her. Dalam bahasa Indonesianya atau artinya, perkenalan diri adalah situasi di mana seseorang memperkenalkan dirinya terhadap orang lain atau sekelompok orang untuk mengetahui dirinya. Seperti itu. For this learning is we will learn about self-introduction, and second is vocabulary related to the material, such as hobby, vocabulary hobby, food, kind of sports, and I think many more. But for this time we will learn all of this. Okay, for the first is how to introduce yourself. Perlu Anda ketahui, in introduce yourself, you must be input some aspect that is very important, such as your name, your age, where are you come from, your life in, and something else. You can see for this form, hello, my name is blah blah blah, I'm blah 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 years old, I'm blah 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 from, I live in blah blah blah. This form is represents about example how to introduce yourself. You can see this example is, hello, my name is Anya, I'm 16 years old, I'm from Indonesia. You can input your hobby, your favorite sport, favorite food, favorite color, and if you have pet, you can input here. I mean, input you to your self-introduction sentence. Okay. For the second is we will learn about vocabulary. This about hobby, vocabulary hobby. This is many vocab for hobby, like read, swimming, playing football, singing, watching movie, dancing, and fishing. You can see the meanings here. And for the example is, my hobby is playing football. You can see this, playing football. For the form is subject, verb, to be, object, playing football. The second is kinds of sport. Vocabulary relates the material. The second is about sport. The example is I play tennis. Saya bermain tenis. Saya berolahraga tenis. You can see the form. And the last is about food, such as carrot, egg, coffee, shrimp, star fruit, banana. You can see the example. I like banana. S plus verb 1 plus object. Okay. If you still confused about this learning, you can see YouTube. There have many tutorial about how to introduce yourself on class, at job interview, and many more. Okay, for this meeting, I think it's enough. Maybe we can continue for the next meeting. Oke, anak-anak, jadi untuk pertemuan kali ini cukup ya tentang penjelasan singkat tentang self introduction atau perkenalan diri. Mungkin jika dari anak-anak masih ada yang bingung tentang materi ini, bisa japri saya on 24 jam, atau kalian juga bisa memahaminya lewat browsing, mempelajari lewat browsing tentang self introduction secara baik dan benar. Dan juga jangan lupa untuk mempraktekkan speaking, because speaking is very important. Oke, sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.